Assalamualaikum. You're watching Sphere News Network. It's time 9 p.m. headlines. I'm Adiha Said with international news. Police have fired on protesters in Myanmar, killing at least 18. The UN Human Rights Office says on the dearliest day of anti-cop rallies. Police in Hong Kong have charged 47 activities with subversions in the largest use yet of the territory. Controversial security law. A year ago this week, the Taliban signed a deal with the United States designed in theory to pave the road to peace in Afghanistan. It committed the Taliban to preventing attacks on US forces and the US to withdrawing its remaining troops from the country. It did not commit the Taliban to a ceasefire with respect to Afghanistan's government or its citizens. US regulators have formally approved the single-shot Johnson & Johnson's coronavirus vaccines, the third job to be authorized in the country. A doctor in Sacramento, California joined a traffic court hearing on Zoom while performing surgery on a patient. The US has condemned reported atrocities in Ethiopia's conflict-hit northern region of Tigray, urging the African Union to help resolve the deteriorating situations.